So I'm sure you must have used Abortcontroller in JavaScript to cancel a fetch request. I actually have a separate video on Abortcontroller on my channel. I'll link it in the description if you want to know more about it. But have you ever wondered what's actually going on under the hood when you do it? When you use Abortcontroller? Like, how does JavaScript even stop a network request? So anytime you try to call fetch, the fetch method, it doesn't actually live in the JavaScript land. It's handed off to the browser's networking layer. Basically, the browser has a networking thread that handles all of these fetch operations, and it tells this networking thread to go get it a resource, to fetch a resource. So the abort controller essentially gives you a little signal object that both your code and the browser's fetch implementation can share. So you can think of it like a walkie-talkie. Anytime you invoke this controller.abort function, this function is now going to flip a flag inside that signal object. So in this case, it's aborted. So the fetch code that is running in the browser is constantly checking that flag while the request is in progress. So when the flag says aborted, the networking layer stops listening for more data from the server and tears down the connection. And that is exactly when you get an abort error. So basically, you're not really killing a fetch from JavaScript directly. You're essentially telling the browser that, hey, if you're still waiting on this request, stop wasting your time and shut it down. And the browser then takes care of cutting off the underlying network connection. So anytime you're trying to use abort controller, remember that you're not just canceling a promise. People normally think that all that abort controller does is cancel a promise. That's one part of it, but it is also reaching down the browser's networking layer and manually closing the pipe, the networking pipe. So it does two things, one from the code end and one from the browser's end, browser's network implementation end.